Tesla Fremont Factory celebrates 1 million Model Y production, just days after announcing that it had produced its 7 millionth vehicle. Tesla announced that the Fremont Factory has produced its 1 millionth Model Y from GA4. This is an incredible achievement, considering that the Fremont Factory is a facility that is not built specifically to produce Teslas. The Fremont Factory is Tesla's first production facility. As per the Q3 2024 update letter, the factory currently has an installed annual vehicle capacity of over 550,000 Model 3 and Model Y, and 100,000 Model S and Model X. This is lower than facilities like Giga Shanghai, which can produce over 950,000 Model 3 and Model Y, but it is already very impressive. Big Tent came a long way. June 8, 2018, first Model 3 coming out of GA4 at Fremont Factory. October 25, 2024, 1 millionth Model Y built at GA4. The Fremont Factory, after all, started its life as a traditional automotive plant. Unlike later facilities like Gigafactory Texas, which was built specifically to produce the Model Y and the Cybertruck, the Fremont Factory required a lot of strategy and creativity before it was able to produce the Model 3 and Model Y at scale. These included the use of sprung structures to house an additional general assembly line for the Model 3, a move that caught the attention of Tesla shorts. This was highlighted by the company in its celebratory post on social media platform X. As noted by Tesla on its official X account, the first Model 3 from the Fremont Factory's GA4 line was completed on June 8, 2018. Since then, GA4 has grown into an impressive vehicle production line that was able to produce the facility's 1 millionth Model Y on Friday, October 25, 2024. That's not so bad at all for a facility that was mocked by critics as a simple tent. I think we all collectively forget that Fremont was built by GM, was purchased by Tesla for a fraction of what it cost. It wasn't designed for modern EV manufacturing, so Tesla had to resort to unthinkable measures to build 4 different models, including tents in the parking lot. The Model Y is Tesla's best-selling vehicle, and it currently dominates the United States electric vehicle segment. The all-electric crossover also has a strong presence in Europe and China. Last year, the Model Y became the world's best-selling vehicle by volume, the first all-electric car to earn the title. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.